Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will be looking at the Comfee Portable Washing Machine, a compact and full automatic washer, and the Nixod Portable Washing Machine, a mini washer designed for small loads. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers a larger capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for more laundry at once. In contrast, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is ideal for smaller loads like delicates and baby clothes. This difference in capacity can significantly affect your laundry experience, depending on your needs. In terms of features, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is a full automatic washer with 5 wash cycles, including heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, providing versatility for different fabric types. On the other hand, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine is a mini folding washer that includes a spin basket, making it convenient for quick washes. Each machine caters to different user preferences and needs. Price is another critical factor to consider. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine is priced at $249, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. Meanwhile, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine is much more affordable at $79, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Depending on your budget and laundry needs, one may be more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both the Comfee and Nixod portable washing machines have their unique strengths. The Comfee offers more capacity and features for those who need a robust washing solution, while the Nixod provides a compact and budget-friendly option for smaller loads. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.